Back now to coronavirus, COVID-19, and our coverage of this. And joining us now is Jeff Flaks. He is the president and CEO of Hartford HealthCare. Jeff, great to see you here in the program.
Good morning.
I want to ask you, first of all, you've been going through the vaccines. Tell us how it's going so far.
It's going very well. I'm so proud. When you look at our state, we've done about 350,000 vaccines. At Hartford HealthCare alone, today we're going to cross 75,000. So we're doing very well. We're amongst the leaders in the country.
And you had it yourself. You've had the first shot, you're getting the second.
Getting my second today.
Excellent. Any side effects?
I was very fortunate. I had very few. And again, our team, our clinicians are doing a wonderful job following our patients.
People ask me when everyone will be vaccinated. We're going through these phases right now.
You know, the rate limiting factor is the vaccine we get from the federal government. You know, our state working together, all the health systems in partnership, the pharmacies, the local health districts, we have tremendous capacity. You know, Hartford HealthCare alone today, we could easily do about 40,000 vaccines a week. So it's not the issue of how well we can do getting into people's arms. The issue is how much vaccine comes into the state.
Getting a vaccine, of course, is a personal decision, but if someone says to you, I'm afraid to get the vaccine, what do you tell them?
Look, I think we listen to our clinicians. We listen to our scientists. They're urging people to get the vaccine. And Dennis, we're seeing the effects. In our own example within Hartford HealthCare, we have 3 nursing homes. Today, we don't have a single case of COVID-19 across our nursing homes, thankfully. We're seeing it works.
There are different vaccine makers. How do you know which one you're getting, and is there a best one of the bunch?
Well, certainly today, with the 2 vaccines we're using, we use them interchangeably. So they have comparable efficacy, and people can speak with their providers, but today people are being advised either vaccine is the best vaccine for them.
What's been the reaction so far from your own workers? Are they all want to get it? Are they required to get it?
Yeah, so we've had about 23,000 people who work within Hartford HealthCare get it. We've just slightly more than 2/3 of our workforce. People are embracing it. They're having very good experience. We've been very pleased with the acceptance. And again, our frontline healthcare workers, they're heroes. I often call them pioneers now because they're leading the way in getting the vaccine.
Do you think we'll be wearing masks forever?
Not forever, but it works. You know, if you look today, hand hygiene, proper social distancing, wearing masks. Dennis, look at this fact. In Hartford HealthCare, we've had 1 admitted patient with positive with the flu. Last year, we had over 1,000. Across the whole state, there's 13 people who've had the flu. Wearing masks works.
Jeff Flaks, CEO and president of Hartford HealthCare, we thank you so much for joining us this Sunday morning. Best of luck. We'll have you on again.
Thank you.
Still ahead.